Hi guys, you are welcome to today's class. If we are given a function for us to differentiate, example, we have y is equals to 4x to the power of 3 plus 6x minus 3, and we should find the y ds, which means we should differentiate it. Remember our general formula for differentiation, which is y is equals to ax to the power of n, ax to the power of n. Okay, and therefore our y will be equals to n. We're gonna multiply the power and the coefficients. Okay, n times a, which is the coefficients. These are x. Then we're gonna subtract 1 from the power. So it's gonna be n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, n minus 1. Okay, that's how we differentiate using our general formula. We use the power to multiply the coefficient of x, which is n times a, and then we subtract 1 from the power, which is n minus 1. So that's how we differentiate using the general formula. So therefore we can actually differentiate this function given to us with this. So therefore our the y dx will be equals to, so now let's differentiate this 4x to the power of 3, just the way I explained here. So now we're going to multiply 3 and 4. So 3 and 4, 3 times 4, just as we have the power times the coefficients. 3 times 4 is going to give us 12, and here we have x, so we're going to subtract 1 from the power. That is 3 minus what? 3 minus 1, which is going to give us what? 2. So it's going to be 12x raised to the power of 2. Okay, so now let's differentiate the other function, which is 6x. So now if we want to differentiate 6x, remember the x here has the power of 1. So when we multiply the 1 with the coefficient, we are going to have 6, and when we subtract 1 from the power, it's going to give us 0. Remember in indices, when an alphabet is raised to the power of 0, it equals to 1. So therefore when we differentiate 6x, our answer is what? 6. So now let's differentiate 3. In differentiation, whenever you want to differentiate a constant, it is equals to what? 0. So therefore you don't really have to differentiate it, because it is equals to 0. So our final answer is equals to 12x to the power of 2 plus 6. So these are final answer. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Thank you.